To describe the compensation plan, like in a video like this, it's a pain in the butt. It's boring too. I highly recommend that if you do join Save Club, and if you're an affiliate, you're going to have people, maybe like yourself, ask, how do I make money? Okay, it's $19.97 a month to join and just get deals on a whole bunch of cool stuff I'm probably already buying or buying in the future. So everybody understands the membership side, but when you're an affiliate where you can earn money, $60, okay, then you're going to ask yourself, well, how do I make money? I know how to save money, but how do I make money? Well, there's a compensation plan link and video, but please don't try to explain it. It's so boring and people will zone out. I zone out if I even try to explain it to myself. Let me show you the easy way, okay? Let me go ahead and shrink this up here. Boom. Okay. This is saveclub.com, and you put in your username and password. Do you see right here where it says training? Click that tab, and this is what it is. Boom. I want you to watch this little video. It's just a little fast start video. It's only like 1 minute long. You only watch it one time. Just kind of welcomes you aboard the training tab here. Scroll down. You hit this orange button that says marketing materials, and this is where you're going to get a ton of pictures and video made for you. All you got to do is upload it to social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever you want to do. Go crazy. It's all waiting for you. There's tons of stuff. Now, here's the compensation plan. Now, don't laugh. Compensation is spelled right here, but it's incorrect on the orange button. It's the constipation plan. Okay. Do you see when you just click this button here? It's a YouTube video, and it's well done. This is what I recommend you send. Just send a link to this video, and everyone will love you long time, okay? So how do you send the link? Now watch. See when I hit play? Okay. This pop opens, right? Now, do you see the little share button right there? Hit the share button, and do you see this link that's highlighted in blue? Now, if you want to send it directly to Facebook or Twitter, but if you just want to right-click it and hit copy, just send that link to anybody that might want to know what the compensation plan is, or maybe you just want to post it on social media, and then this badass video will 100% explain the constipation plan. But don't try to do it yourself. All right, and then here's another new video that just debuted. It's just how to use my deals for people that want to save money, okay, on the membership side. So, and do the same thing here. Just hit that button, and it says share. And then see, now you got another new link that you can go ahead and post and send to people that might just want to know, hey, how do I save money on the membership side? Maybe I'll be an affiliate later, but how do I save? So send them that video. If you want to know how we get paid, send them that video. And if you've already joined and you want to kick butt, all your free marketing material, including a massive amount of pictures and tons of video, is right on that orange button. And remember, it's on the training tab right there. Okay. All right, guys, let me show you how to join and have fun. We'll have cake and tea, and we'll just sit with our pinkies out sipping. Okay. Go to the official website, joinsaveclub.org. Okay. Come aboard, guys. I want you to watch this video too. It's our founder. Fill out this form right here. Hit that orange button and you're going to get an email. Open it up and join. All right. Sound good? And there you go. And I want you to also look into the funnel. $25. SaveClubFunnels.com. I've got everybody using it right now. It's a 20-minute video that will explain Save Club in massive detail. Okay. And if you have $25, try it. You don't have to. And if you've already joined Save Club, don't worry. This is just another funnel that is before this page here where people can fill out their information and hit that orange button. But it's so awesome. This video right here, guys, it does everything for you. You send people to this page, you just sit back, and you'll see people pre-enroll and sign up, and you don't have to do a darn thing. Please let video do everything, okay? All right, guys, 4 minutes. Man, I got my video done, I think, in 5. Thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and email me any questions you have. I love to help out anybody. You don't have to be in my group for me to help you, and I'll get a hold of support if you don't have time. They're good buddies of mine at Save Club, okay? So anyway, Boom, I'm done. Thanks again, guys. And I hope you join Save Club. It's a cool company. It's definitely worth joining. Okay, have a good day, guys. See ya. Bye.